Okay guys, this is very exciting news for me for two reasons. Number one, you obviously know that I love to travel. Number two, I like to bet on sports from time to time. And I'll add a third, I'm a Marriott Bonvoy member, and if you've seen my videos in the past, you know I like to hack the program. So needless to say, I was pretty amped when Bet MGM and Marriott Bonvoy announced a partnership on Monday that makes them the largest rewards collaboration in the online sports betting and iGaming industry. And this also allows members who are in licensed states to link up both their Bonvoy and their Bet MGM accounts. Now, I'm in Florida. We only have the Hard Rock Bet app. That's the only one we're allowed to use here at current time, so I'm out of the game right now, but I will get in. But if you live in one of the 29 states that BetMGM is live in, or Canada, or even Puerto Rico for that matter, you are in luck. When BetMGM customers wager on sport or iGaming, they will earn BetMGM rewards points, which they will then be able to transfer into their Marriott Bonvoy account. Crazy, right? So for people who bet, this gives another value add to your wagering addiction outside of your potential winnings on straight up bets, or if you're a crazy person like me sometimes, your 15-team parlays. You know you've tried them. Now, much like credit card rewards points, you may be witnessing the first in a seismic shift for sportsbooks that are looking to gain new customers. Your action is going to get rewarded beyond what you could possibly win on a wager, as opposed to getting like a first bet sign up or a sign up bonus or a free parlay or whatever else they're offering these days. So if you live in one of these states where this is legal, log on and check it out. You might be a losing gambler, but if that equates to a free stay in Costa Rica, so be it. At least there's that.